Welcome to my channel Somycrafty. I'm here and with an elegant tutorial of an elegant pair of earrings. We have started with 5 golden Bicone beads, 3 mm. We have to tie double knot here, make it secure. Now we have to add in our first round 4 Bicone beads. These beads are also 3 mm Bicone beads, metallic black color. These beads are metallic black beads, and we have passed through 1 golden Bicone 3 mm, and we added these 4. Now we have to add 3 more metallic black Bicones 3 mm, passing through previous Bicone, black Bicone, and then next golden Bicone. Now we have to add in the same way the same beads, 3 beads, passing through Bicones, previous Bicones, and now we are adding once more time 3 Bicones, and here we are adding for the last time in this round 2 Bicones. Here we are adding 2 Bicones, black, metallic black Bicones. We are adding, passing through previous Bicones. Now we will start next round. From here we will start next step. This is a diamond shape, sparkling, multi-shaded, very cute bead. We have to add here in the spaces in the between these Bicones. We have to add metallic black Bicones gaps, which we have to add this diamond shape 4 mm bead. We are adding it. We have to add total 5 beads. We have to pass through 2 Bicone, then we add 1 diamond shape 4 mm multi-shaded bead, then we pass through 2 next Bicones 3 mm, and then add. In this way we added in this round total 5 diamond shaped multi-shaded beads, crystal beads, sparkling crystal beads, very cute beads, very colorful combination of different colors, metallic color, golden color, and multi-shaded diamond shaped beads. I hope you would like this combination, and at the end you will see how pretty, how cute and elegant earrings are made. Now in this round, third round, we have to add 1 stone, metallic black, very cute stitchable stone. First we add our needle, passing through its 2 holes which are on its back. We added it, passing through golden Bicone. Now we will pass its 2 holes to others holes of other side. We will pass our needle from stones 2 holes on its back, and now to this side we will also stitch. We will pass our needle to this side, and we will again pass through, for adding it, pass through golden Bicone, which is in the center of our beaded flower. This beaded flower, we have added 1 metallic black sparkling stone, and on this point we have to trim the thread, because our thread and needle process is ends here, is ended here, and now we have to add one teardrop shape stone. This teardrop bead, this is not bead, this is teardrop Rivoli type. You can see Monty or Rivoli. This is teardrop shape. This is also sparkling metallic black bead and stone, whatever you can say. So now we have to add it with one jump ring. We inserted one jump ring with the help of nose pliers to this teardrop, and now we have entered it into the beaded part, and now we are pasting some glue on studs, earring stud pin. Now after pasting glue, we fix it on back of our earring, and we have to let it dry. When it dries, then we will continue the further process which we have started. Now we are inserting an other diamond shaped bead here. It will be hanging, looking very cute. We inserted it with a head pin. Using head pin, we completed this process, and now these are ready. Our elegant earrings are ready. So let's try to make for yourself, and don't forget to subscribe your own channel, Somycrafty. I always try my best. I bring all the projects with love for my viewers, and here the result is before you. I have beaded an elegant pair of earring in this tutorial for you. So don't forget your channel. Make it successful with your subscriptions, with your likes, comments and sharings. So kindly, I need your subscriptions. It takes no time, so don't forget it. And here are some short videos of my today's project. Do watch and like and share and subscribe, and also watch short videos of my channel. Now I will say bye. Take care. Bye. Allah Hafiz. Lots of love.